not looking very well today. Lots of snow. This is gonna get cold, I have a feeling. Keep that with me. And I'm in a hole. Just great. Well, you can see how deep the snow is. I could probably back it out, but I got this winch here. I'm going to give it a shot. See what happens. Yeah, be a trapper, they say. It'll be fun. Look at all the damn snow. Sad part is, they're already calling for this much next weekend. I don't put it much. There'll be so much snow, I won't even be able to move. Almost. It's actually a pretty deep hole, but I knew it was there, but yeah, I couldn't see it. Fuck. I better send a picture out to a couple of my friends real quick. All right. Kind of cool. Snow. Oh, we got a mess up there. Should be the only hole I fall in. If there's some holes up top. If I fall in them, I'm dead. So better stay clear of those. Yeah, them ones aren't going to go up as high as they're supposed to. I've needed to trim some of these anyways. You guys still there, I hope? What a pain in the ass. Yeah, I don't know how anything finds or sets in this shit. Someone probably wondering, where's your shovel? Yeah, I forgot it at home. We needed this snow a long time ago. When I come back down the hill, I'll try to get over and get closer. All right. This makes the beat really wet. I'm getting a cement mixer and start making wax dirt this summer. I say it every year, but this time I gotta do it. Yeah, this is a old logging road. I know that all the other logging roads have connected with cats, so it's just a matter of time before this one does. Yep, and then all the snow is going to fall right into it. I've already got a bunch of lure here. That'd be enough. But I've had a lot of luck earlier in the season because it snowed really good, like the first week, and it just attracts the cats way better than a flag does. So, all right, it works. It don't look very pretty, but it definitely works. Yeah, I just found this jawbone. So they definitely got a dead deer around here somewhere. I wouldn't think, unless they got a way down. Which I don't think there is, but there might be a way down over here. Well, they do have a trail down. Look at that. Dang coyotes climb up that damn thing. That's hard to believe. I'd have to say there's gotta be. That's crazy. Coyotes climb all the way up that steep son of a bitch. Well, I guess snare guys, if I had the snare, could do snares, be right there. Since I can't, ain't nothing gonna happen. I could put a blind set right there, put a foothold there, which I might do. Oh, we'll see if I can find that deer. Stay tuned, guys. key to this is not to disturb it, and I just disturbed it. Get rid of this shit. Alright. There's a heck of a trail. I just can't believe coyotes claim that. There's appears to be, I ain't gonna climb down there and mess it all up, but appears to be a set of bobcat tracks there too. We won't have to worry about the trap moving quite as much because they're going to be in motion, because they're going to be either running up the hill or they start to run down it. Normally I'd like to have my trap right on a ledge right below, but that's not an option. So. Pretty much. Just gonna put some moss, peat moss on it, and then that should work. I got my darn sifter on the foiler. And the one time there ain't no snow above me. Should be good enough. Alright. That's it. Hopefully you got something there in the morning. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm pulling these traps. I just wanted to show you guys my cable. Now, these are probably going on 4 years old. But as you can see, they don't last forever. And this is the first time I've seen this, but it's probably getting about time for me to cycle them out and start getting some new ones, which I was just recently building some new ones, but when I started using these cables I didn't have enough stakes, so yeah, that's probably one of the originals. And I actually inspect them every time before I use them, but that guy unraveled when I was pulling them out. So thought I'd share that with you guys. They are just called disposable stakes, but try to reuse them as much as I can. Thanks for watching.